Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 8th question of exercise 9.1 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means two of its sides will be equal. Here it is given AB and AC are the equal sides. That is each equal to 7.5 centimeter. And BC equal to 9 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter. Here first we have to find the area of triangle ABC, then length of CE. So let us start. Given side AB equal to side AC equal to 7.5 centimeter, BC equal to 9 centimeter and AD equal to 6 centimeter. Now area of triangle ABC equal to, we know the formula, that is half into base into height. It can be written like this also, base into height divided by 2. That is equal to half into, what about base and height? Here you know AD is the perpendicular to the side BC. So here AD is the height and BC is the base. So we can write base is BC into height is AD. That is equal to half into BC is given, that is 9 centimeter into AD is 6 centimeter. That is equal to 9 into 6, that is 54, then divided by 2 centimeter square, that is equal to 54 divided by 2, it is 27 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle ABC. Next we have to find the length of CE. Here CE is the perpendicular from the vertex C to the side AB. That is CE is the height and AB is the base here. We know the formula for finding the height of a triangle. It is 2 into area of the triangle divided by base of the triangle. That is equal to 2 into area of the triangle. It is 27 centimeter square. That is 27 centimeter square divided by base of the triangle. Here base is AB. So it is given as 7.5 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into 27. It is 54 divided by 7.5. Here we can cancel 1 centimeter, that much centimeter. Now for dividing this, since the denominator is a decimal number, we have to convert this to whole number. And here there is one digit after the decimal. We have to multiply this denominator with 10. So we have to multiply numerator also with 10. So here we get it as we have to put the decimal here, that is 540 divided by 75, that much centimeter. Now let us divide 540 by 75. We can do long division, that is 540 divided by 75. Here we have to take the 3 digits, that is 540, because 54 is less than 75. So in 540, how many 75s we can get? 2 75s are 150, and 4 75s 300, 6 75s equal to 450. But here we are having 540, so we can get one more 75, that is, let us try with the 7 75s, that is equal to 525. So we get 7. Write 7 here. It is 525. When we subtract, we get 15 as the remainder. Now there is no digits to bring down. So put a point here, then 0. So we have to put a point here also. Next bring down 0. Now it is 150. So 2 75s are 150. When we subtract, it is 0 here. That is 540 divided by 75, that is equal to 7.2, that much centimeter. So here height, what is height here? That is CE. Therefore, CE equal to 7.2 centimeter. Or you can follow this method also. We know area equal to half into base into height. Here area is 27 centimeter square, that is equal to half into base is here 7.5 centimeter. Then height is CE, that is 27 centimeter square. Now this 2 is in the denominator, so it will be in the numerator here, then divided by 7.5 centimeter, that is equal to CE, that is 2 into 27, that is 54 centimeter square, divided by 7.5 centimeter, that is equal to CE, that is length of CE, that is equal to 54 divided by 7.5 centimeter square, and centimeter we can cancel 1 centimeter. So here we get 54 by 7.5 centimeter. When we divide this, we get it as 7.2 centimeter. So area of this triangle ABC is 27 centimeter square, and length of CE is 7.2 centimeter. This is the last question of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.